Back in the workshop again today. I'm going to be working on the Benelli, my little 252C. I'll show you what I'm going to do. This is the exhaust that came with the bike, and it's incredibly pitted, and I got in touch with a chroming company, and they wanted quite a lot of pennies to do just the silencers on their own, without the front pipes. And I saw on eBay a while ago that there was some exhausts for sale, so I got in touch with the guy, who happens to be called Dave as well. Everybody knows Dave. So we went over the other day to see him and to have a look at the exhausts and decide on whether we were going to purchase them. It turned out to be quite an expensive day, because we didn't. Not only did we buy these, which are the exhausts, which you can see they are never been used, absolutely brand spanking new. So the front pipes, and there's the silencers. You know, they are, I mean, there's a dint on that, but to be honest, I'm not going to get anything better than these anywhere. So they're going on that today, so I'm going to do that. Now, I talked about it being a bit of an expensive day. Well, in Dave's workshop was this, a little 125 Gilera. This is 64 model. We found out a little bit of information. They only, I believe, they only made 1,000 of these, and they made 1,000 of the blue ones, and the 175s they made for the army. These blue ones were made for the tax inspectors. What sort of inspectors they were, but that's what I've been told, and that's the paperwork that we've got with it. You can see they've had some sort of bag on there because that's been well worn. It's a nice little bike, 1964. Anybody knows anything more information than I've got, please let me know, because I would really like to know. You can see even on things like the footrest where they've been, you know, really nicely worn. It's a lovely bit of kit. Anyway, we're gonna take it to bits. There's something wrong with the engine, doesn't go, so we're going to take it to bits and find out why. Sort all the wiring out, because it's a bit of here, there and everywhere. So that was one bike that we bought, and then in his workshop was, believe it or not, another 252C. Can't really get back far enough on a minute. So this is going to be another one. This doesn't go either. So we are, after that's finished, the Gilera, I'm going to crack on and get this one done. Now the trick with this one is it's for sale at the end of it. So if anybody's going to be interested, you're going to at least be able to see all the way through from start to finish what we did to it and where we got with it, and let us know if you're interested. So I'll crack on with this one, get the exhaust on. I'm not going to sort of rattle on. What I'll do is I'll turn you back on again in a bit when I've got the exhaust on. Well, there you go, exhaust on. I'm quite impressed with that. That looks proper nice now. Really happy with that. It looks really good. So I'm I'm happy with that. Yeah, super duper happy. So I think all I need to do now is get this insured and taxed and run it up the road and make sure it's running alright. So yeah, I don't know what you think. I'd like to know your opinion, if you have one, what you think to this. If you think there is anything we can do to make it better, please let us know. Anyway, that's it. It's been a quick sort of job. I didn't think there was any point in just stood there, me taking the exhaust off and put it back on again. So there you go, all finished. See you next time. Bye for now.